Right guys, quick little build update video for you because I know it's been a while since the last video, but this weather has been horrendous. It's supposed to be summer, we're in June now, nearly the end of June, and it has rained for like the last 3 weeks solid, which has stopped play on all of the bodywork that I needed to get done on this rear tub. But the sun is finally out, so the tub is in the front garden, and we spent about 5 hours sanding this one side. It has taken absolutely ages. So we put the high build primer on since the last video, and I've just gone around and I put on some of this guy coat, this kind of light dusting of black paint, and we've sanded all of that black paint off to reveal what is the low spots or any pitting or marks on the cappings that we're going to need to attack with body filler. So you can see around here we've got a few little spots here where the rivets have been put in there when we put this panel on. We've got a few little bits there. We've got the pitting on the capping here, so we're going to get some body filler and fill in all of those bits, sand it smooth, and then we can put more high build primer on that before the paint. This side is what I need to do next. So that one took me 5 hours, so this one's probably going to take another 5 hours, and it's the worst panel. So I need to sand all of that back as well, and then repeat the same process on the other side with the body filler. And then hopefully, if we get a few more fine days, we can bust out the inflatable spray booth, put the high build on that, sand it down one final time, and then we should have a tub that will be very nice, ready for that Nardo grey. And if we come into the garage, there hasn't really been a great deal I can do on the main truck at the moment. I'm still waiting on a few parts. I'm still waiting for the pump from Diesel Bob, so we can't get that fitted and get the engine running and do the final tweaks and tuning to the heater. I'm waiting on the dash, so I've got a really cool dashboard coming very soon, in a video soon. I'm really looking forward to getting that in. But I have a feeling that all of this is going to come together really quick. Once that tub is painted and we've got the pump, the dash and a few other bits, we can get the tub on, we can get the seat box on, we can get the whole dashboard installed, we can maybe get some seats in the steering wheel, and then we could take this bad boy for a little drive around the estate in its bare shell at the moment, which will be pretty cool. It will turn a few heads. I'm sure the neighbours will be keyboard warriors on the old Facebook group, but it'll definitely be worth it. So there's lots to come. I feel like it's all going to come at once in the next couple of months, but we're just kind of at a bit of a limbo stage at the moment with the weather, and the bodywork takes forever, absolutely ages. So hats off to body shop guys. I do appreciate now why the main YouTube guys send the vehicles off to a body shop to get done, because it takes weeks and weeks and weeks. So as a one-man band, as you know guys, I do everything myself, so it does take a bit of time, and I have to do it in between work and family life, but we are getting there. It's going to come all together really quickly, really soon. So thanks for bearing with, and I'll see you in the next proper video.